follow you around every bend, follow you into the dark, throw your hair on down like a falling star.
Good morning folks, so it's 6 o'clock in the morning, still dark outside, can't see anything. I've got about a mile walk. I've got to go to the train station because I've got to go down to Dorset to Portland and look after me doggies. Going to look after some doggies. Oh, I'm tired. Happy days, happy days. Now at Middlewood train station. This is the strangest train station you'll ever go to. It's not a town. There's not a house, there is nothing. It's just in the middle of the woods. It's a funny train station, guys. There's absolutely nothing here. Now in Manchester. So now I am in Portland, in Dorset. I'm at my wife's house because she's gone away to Cyprus and I've been summoned to watch the dogs. These used to be our dogs. We had Coffee in Spain, but he died of old age and other things. We had River, that we got from Cyprus. He died in Spain, I think through a tick bite. He got paralysed, I think through a tick bite. Very sad. This is Mocha. She also died in Spain through old age and cancer. Jindy we've still got. There's Jindy there, still in a little bed. Hey Jins. And this is the new addition, Rocket. What are your racks? Hey, you right, mate? Even got a jacuzzi. It's alright for some, innit? It's alright for some, guys. Good. Go on, mate. Come on. This is Portland's bird observatory. Lots of bird twitchers on Portland. So a couple of days ago there was a lot of tuna that came past the bottom of the island, big ones. And the sad thing is the English fishermen aren't allowed to fish for them. It's crazy. And each one of them fish is worth about £30,000 each. Crazy. So now gents, come on. So now out of the wind, Portland Bill Lighthouse, and then the Lobster Pot Calf. I don't know if you can hear me, but this is the very tip of Portland. That there, guys, I know it doesn't look much, but that's the famous Pulpit Rock. And it's so windy. This is the famous Billy Winter's Calf, just on the beach road going into Portland. And this is where all the Olympians train in this harbour for windsurfing, kite surfing and sailing. Weymouth Harbour. Weymouth Beach. So that's me leaving Weymouth now. There's too many bloody pirates. Let's hope they don't discover the canals. So there's loads of these little tunnels everywhere, and this is where the ammunition would have been stored during the war, and it would have come down tracks on these little tracks and taken towards the guns. And look, they've actually got a mock-up gun here. So this would have been the big high-angle gun. Would have had the number 1 and number 2 who did the elevation. One did the elevation, one would have done the direction. The commander would have checked them adjustments, also checked the bombs for the correct fuses and charges. But this is amazing really that it's still here. In fact, you can see where the track would have taken the bombs up the top, round, and then placed them in, so they didn't have to lift them. Wow, look at all this. It's great that it's still here. There would have been another gun there. There would have been another gun there. And there would have been 6 in total. So at the bottom end of Portland, that's Weymouth over there. That's Chisel Beach, a 10-mile beach that is man-made. And that's the Causeway Road that goes from Weymouth to Portland. It's the only road on and off Portland. That's Portland Harbour, and this area of Portland is called Fortune's Well. Over there is the front end of the HM prison, up on the hill. So one of the many quarries on Portland that you can walk around, and obviously where they get the Portland stone from. Happy days. Okay, Mary Berry is it? Or Berry Merry? Cherry Berry, the famous cook. That's her beach hut. Not bad. The Pulpit Rock on a nice day. The west coast of Portland. Yeah. So, stormy day today. This is the back of the Verne prison. So this is Castletown, the north end of Portland. Portland Castle. So behind me is another prison that's on Portland. This is for the young offenders. But thing is with this one, look at the view they've got. Wow. So Portland in a nutshell really is a rock out at sea with one road going on and off, and it's surrounded by cliffs. There's not really any beaches, it's just cliffs, and there's 2 prisons on the island and 4 villages really. You got Fortune's Well, Eastern, Western and Southwell, and basically that's it. It's pretty much a British Alcatraz. But actually if you walk around this island in the summer, you could be anywhere in the world, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's a lovely place to be. So everything you see behind me now used to be a big Portland naval base. This used to be the headquarters. The apartments behind me used to be part of the Navy establishment as well. But all apartments now, all gone. Shame really. So this is the Officers Fields housing estate, and it's built in 2012, just to accommodate the Olympic competitors. So this is Chesil Beach, and it's a man-made beach, and it's man-made to stop all the waves going over and covering the road that comes in and off Portland. And it really gets hit heavy by the storms in winter. And this pub behind me, the Cove House Inn, is quite famous because most winters when the waves do come in, they quite regularly go over the pub. And there's some fantastic pictures online of the Cove House Inn with the waves going over the top. Happy days. So this is where the British Olympic team train all year round for all the water sports. Sunseeker's Luxury Boat Yard. This is where they build them, guys. Boat storage. Could do that on the canals, couldn't they? Portland Harbour, with a few bars and restaurants. Helicopter training. You'll get a lot of Navy ships out here, and also the odd cruise ship. It also has the island sauna. Oh, so tired. That's me back from Portland now. Nice to see the wife, nice to see the doggies. Back on the boat. It's quite late, but I need to get the fire on now, get myself nice and warm, unpack, and then get in my little bed. Nice to be back on the boat though. I really missed the sleep. It's a shame it's dark because I like looking out my windows at the mist. But it's great to be back. It feels strange because the boat's rocking around and I'm not used to it. Making me a bit lightheaded. Don't know where Ahmed is. Little sheet, he's a little sheet. Anyway, better unpack, get me fire lit, cup of tea, get in me bed. Happy days, guys. Ah, look, my mum and dad have dropped me off a little get you in pack. Cheddies, sourdough bread, Quakers, milk, tea bags, butter, one man tins of beans. It's good, isn't it? I'm gonna have to go away a bit more often. Oh, Jaffa cakes, coffee bags, bickies, and some milk. Thanks, guys. Thanks, folks. Nice. Happy days. I can't move anywhere at the moment because I'm hoping to get my mattress delivered, and I've given the postcode here. So I'm hoping it's going to come in the next couple of days so that I can go off travelling once I've got that. Happy days, guys. That's what I woke up to this morning. My first mist. My first mist. Lovely, isn't it? How lucky am I? Look, that's my view in the morning.
In the morning when I wake and the sun is coming through, oh, you fill my lungs with sweetness and you fill my head with you. Shall I write it in a letter? Shall I try to get it down? Oh, you fill my head with pieces of a song I can't get out. Can I be close to you? Ooh, ooh. Can I be close to you? Ooh, ooh. Can I take you to a moment where the fields are painted gold and the trees are filled with memories of the feelings never told? When the evening pulls the sun down and the day is almost through, oh, the whole world is sleeping, but my world is you.
So guys, because of the lack of sun, I'm struggling with electric. So I've turned my fridge off now and it is quite cold outside. So what I'm doing is I'm keeping all my colds outside now. So I just put them, I'll put my milk out here because it's quite cold out here. And my cheeses and things I just put in my ice box. Just so really, I put them in the ice box so I don't get any mice or rats coming in and eating all my food. Hey, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm really apologising about my editing. I know it's not very good. I've got a new editing program and I'm just not getting on with it and I'm struggling with it. So hopefully I'll try and get it sorted out. That's why I've cut this video short again as well, because I am struggling with it. So yeah, I need to get a new program again, I think. What else is there? I've wrote a few bits down. Oh, thank you, Kieran and Celeste. I came back to my boat the other day when I went to Portland, and there's a big bag of wood, kindling. A bin bag's full, massive. And they left it, so thank you very much, guys. Really appreciate that, because it's so handy to have your kindling. You need your kindling, guys. It's getting winter and it's getting cold. Another thing is, thank you, the coffee buyers. Barbara and Martin, thank you very much. Happy days. Thank you for your support. Sue Wilkinson, thank you again for your support. Suspiria, as always, thank you very much. And New Life and Boating. Cheers, guys. Thank you so much for the coffees and the support. Please remember to like and subscribe. I'm just going to get in my bed now. I'm so tired. In the next vlog, I'll be cruising 100% because tomorrow my new mattress is coming. So I can move after that. Oh, happy days, guys. There's Ahmed. There he is. I knew he is somewhere, a little sheet. He's a little sheet. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please remember to like and subscribe. And you can also buy me a coffee in the description below to help me to support my channel. Cheers, guys. Look after yourselves wherever you are. Bye, guys.